Look at all these varieties of dates. They got these types of mineral ones. They have these ones. They have Sudan. They have Iranian. They have different types of minerals. They have definitely more. They have mushrock dates. They have date paste. They have those types. So I'm gonna get my favorite, definitely more, at the Afghani store. Why must we hurt the earth by throwing all this litter in the forest? Why must we do this? Please live vegan. Help climate change. Just stop littering, please. Her her luscious love has brought me back to her once again. Here to connect. Know more about knowledge of self. Know thyself. Tonight we got mushroom, mango, red pepper, orange pepper, celery, onion, coriander, lime juice, hot peppers, about 5 mangoes. Not the camp mangoes, the alfredero mangoes, whatever those are called. We got the brown top mushrooms. Yeah, I got some dates later on if I'm hungry still. What do you guys think? I took Mother Nature and I put it into it's gonna be a necklace. Would you buy this? It's from the forest.